So coming in, I remember I used to be a very angry and controlling little girl, stuck in so much frustration and resentment, specifically towards my family. So it's helped me gain control of my own emotions. And in terms of the relationships, what I've seen a tremendous difference in is my relationship to my family, so my sister and my mom. By taking, like I kind of had to let go of all this anger and resentment, and I've allowed my sister to grow into her own human being now. So she's taking on more responsibility and, helping out in ways that back then I was so controlling and wanting to do it my way that it didn't allow her to grow. So that's like one of the main changes that I've seen, which is really great. That's definitely a big point because all my energy used to be given to others. And then I was stuck in this never-ending cycle of giving, 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 and then being mad when it wasn't reciprocated or not given back to me. And now I learned that it's okay for me to take care of me and still give to others too, right? Like I love still being there for others, but I learned that it's safe to also be there for myself because you take care of yourself and then you have more to give to others. And now I'm doing it from a place of like true love and like appreciation for myself and for other humans. So when I became a hypnotist, I didn't even think twice about it. Like I gave my 2 weeks and I just jumped in both feet in the water here and I knew I was gonna figure it out. Like I have so much more time freedom now and in terms of money too, like it's a whole difference. It's definitely double. Some months have been like almost triple from what I was making before, which back then I thought was inaccessible, right? And following mentorship and just pursuing this career just showed me that it was all in my head. I think the best advice I could give to anyone is if you have a thought or a feeling or an idea of wanting to pursue it, just follow that idea because you'll learn along the way. So just trust that if you really want it, go for it and you'll grow at the same time.